So always remember this thing whenever you're riding your bike, and make sure every you're doing a proper clutch setting after every 1,000 kilometers. So you're not doing a clutch setting from here, you need to do clutch setting from here. So hello, hi, Duasa, namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel Badass Motors. Or today's video is going to be really important for all the Tramp Speed 400 owners. So I'm facing a major issue on my bike, which is the clutch issue. The clutch wire is getting hard after 500 or 600 kilometers. So till now I have ridden my bike for almost 11,100 kilometers, and yesterday was the first time which when I faced this issue of the clutch. So I will show you what is this issue is all about, and you can comment down, you can follow me on Instagram, you can comment down whether you have faced the same issue or not. So let me tell you about the experience which I am having, the issues which I am facing currently with Tramp Speed 400. The issue is, first let me show you the kilometers, how much kilometers I have driven till my bike till now. It's 11,069, and the mileage which I am getting is around between 29 to 32, 33 sometimes. So the issue is about this clutch. I can press it from a single finger like this, okay, but it has become really hard. So there are two ways to adjust the clutch. First way is the classic way of adjusting a clutch by losing this. Or already I have loosened it, still my clutch is hard. That's second adjustment which you can do on your Tramp Speed 400, which is from here. See this one, okay. So many of the times whenever you take your bike for a bike wash, and because of water, moisture and all, it gets jammed. That can be an issue for it, because recently I have changed the clutch wire on when I did a service for 8,000 kilometers. That time I did the oil change, oil was changed, oil filter was changed, air filter was changed. In fact, I have installed a new clutch cable for it. Front brake pad, rear brake pads were changed. So the issue which I am facing, yesterday I noticed it. If I'm riding my bike on a highway and suppose I want to drag my bike, okay, for example I want to rev my bike, I'm on a second gear or third gear, so the RPM will not go above 8,000 RPM. It will go suddenly, it will drop for 8,000 kilometers, 8,000 RPM. Then I thought this issue might be because of the clutch. I went to a local mechanic, but still they were not able to fix it because they were facing some issues. They were like, sir, clutch wire has become fully jammed. I don't know why. So while coming, I did a setting from here. So that time also my pickup was going, but sometimes I feel like, is there something issue with my clutch plate as well? So there can be some issue with the clutch plate as well. So I'm going to service center now. So let me go to my service center and let me tell you what type of what solution I am going to get. I will tell them to change the clutch cable again, and after changing the clutch cable, if still I am getting the same issue, then the thing which I am worried about is the clutch plates. So there can be an issue with the clutch plate. If the problem is not getting solved after changing the clutch wire, then definitely there will be an issue with the clutch plates. And if there is an issue with the clutch plates, then it's a red flag for Tramp Speed 400. Like within 11,000 kilometers, how a clutch plate of such a premium bike can go. So let's see. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. We'll rush towards the service center and we'll show you what is the solution. That is my bike, and I am in Nerul service center. So we'll meet them and we'll show them the issue.
2 hours later.
So this is my Draco. after a general checkup. So what actually they have done, I'm going to tell you in this video to make the clutch setting proper, and I'm going to give you one important tip which can save your easily 10 to 11,000. It will save your clutch from getting burned. So always remember this thing whenever you're riding your bike, and make sure you're doing a proper clutch setting after every 1,000 kilometers. So you're not doing a clutch setting from here, you need to do clutch setting from here. And why I was facing so much issues, because from last more than 2,000 kilometers, I have not done the clutch setting from the service center. I was doing it from a local mechanic, and he was not having a proper idea. That was the reason I was facing the issue on my bike. And luckily I did this setting on a proper time. Otherwise I might have loosened my bike's clutch plate. So this is the advice they have given, to do a proper clutch setting after 1,000 kilometers. And second point, as usual, I was in tram service center in Nerul, Navi, Mumbai, and Shetty Sir. I'm going to share Shetty Sir's number in the description. You can refer him, you can give him a call. And not only Shetty Sir, the other guys, the other service technicians, those who are working in tram, I would like to give them 10 on 10 in the terms of helping, service and all. Within 15 minutes my issue was solved. They took a test ride and they shared honest feedback that I was doing a wrong clutch setting with a local mechanic guy. So as a suggestion, if you want to do any type of clutch setting, don't do it from a local mechanic guy. Yeah, but if that mechanic is good, like if that mechanic does definitely have an idea about clutch setting, then only you do it. Otherwise we would recommend, and he has recommended to do it from a service center. They will not charge you for it. You just need to go there. They will do a proper clutch setting, and they will give it to you back. Second thing, I did a chain setting, and they did a general checkup of my bike, and they didn't charge even a single rupee from me. So that is the best point. And so thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment if you like this video, and you can share your views regarding Tram Speed 400.